channel. So today I'm going to create this makeup look. This is Indian wedding guest makeup look, and since wedding seasons are around the corner, so मैंने सोचा क्यों नहीं इस तरह के वीडियोस क्रिएट करें जहाँ पे wedding guest के makeup looks भी मैं लाऊं आपके सामने. So this is the first look of this season, and I hope you enjoy watching it and ये आपके लिए भी helpful proof हो. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So at first, I'll use the Lakme Absolute Material Skin Natural Mousse Foundation, and because it has silicone in it, so you don't need primer before that. Now for concealer, I'll go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm in the shade Sand Sable. For my eyebrows, I'll go in with the Etude House Drawing Eyebrow Pencil. It has spoolie on one side to comb your eyebrows, and the other side is the product. I'm in the shade Dark Grey. For my eyeshadow, I'll go in with the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in the shade Rose in the Air. I really love this palette, and it has beautiful transition shades and a beautiful highlighting shade too. So I'll go in with the Terracotta Orange and will blend it all over my eye, all over the crease. And with that beautiful highlighting shade, I'll take it on my finger and put that on my eyelid. My eyeliner, I'll use the Oriflame The One Eye Stylo. For my Kajal, I'll go in with the Lakme Absolute Eyeliner Kajal, and it is in the shade Electric Blue. I really love this color. For the mascara, I'll go in with the Maybelline Hypercurl Volume Express Mascara. For my highlighter, I'll go in with the Maybelline highlighter, the Master Chrome highlighter, and it's molten gold. With a fan brush, I'll spread the highlighter on my cheekbone, and on the bridge of my nose, and on my cupid's bow. For the blush, I'll go in with the Wet n Wild Color Icon in the shade Mellow Wine, and I really love this color. Coming to the last part, and that's lipstick. I'm going with a liquid lipstick, and for that I'm going to use the Bella Voste in the shade Cinnamon. I really hope you enjoyed watching it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.